Today I am super excited to share with you guys one of my favorite healthy recipes. I am gonna be sharing with you guys how I make this recipe in mainly two steps. The first one, marinating the chicken, and the second step is gonna be actually baking it or roasting it in the oven. Also, let me know in the comments what is your favorite healthy recipe, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. 1.1 kg of chicken drumsticks. I have 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, which is like mango powder. Otherwise, you can use lemon. I'm gonna use a little bit of both. Then I have red food coloring, and I also have this tikka masala. And then you have to have like a bowl where you can mix everything in. The first thing I've done is worn my gloves since we are dealing with some food coloring and I don't want to get it on my fingers, and plus it's a good practice to wear gloves anyways when you're dealing with chicken and getting all into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the yogurt. I'm gonna add the ginger, garlic, the amchur powder. Now I'm gonna open up the tikka masala. I'm gonna add a pinch red food coloring. Let's just add this much and see how it goes. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix all of this. So we've added the lemon now. You're supposed to make 3 slits into your chicken. And now we're just gonna mix it all in. Really make sure the marinade gets inside the chicken. I'm just gonna cover it with foil. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 to 3 hours. You can even keep this overnight if you want. अभी मैंने जाकर ये फ्रिज से निकाला है. And I have my oven tray ready. इसके ऊपर मैंने foil लगाया है. I have my 1 Michael Jackson glove on. So I'm just gonna grease the pan right now. So I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil. So by now this chicken should be really well marinated, and hopefully all the flavors and the juices have seeped into the chicken. Start placing the drumsticks. Alright, so it's time to put the chicken in the oven. So my oven was already preheated to about 230 degrees centigrade. And another thing is that if you have the kind of oven that has both the top and the bottom option, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It's the top and the bottom. After 25 minutes, I'm gonna check to see if I need to flip the chicken at all or not. Chicken drumsticks है उनके साथ like a potato salad would taste really, really good. Peel and cut and boil the potatoes, some mustard, mayonnaise. I have green onions. Yeah, I can make a quick potato salad. I figured maybe we need some carbs. I love carbs, and generally I just love potato salad anyways, because maybe it has something to do with the fact that I've lived in Texas half of my life, और उधर potato salad barbecues के time पे बहुत ज़्यादा खाया जाता था. Now this is not exactly the healthiest. You serve it cold, that's why it's called a potato salad. अब सीन ये है कि क्योंकि ये ठंडा अच्छा लगता है, इसको बॉयल भी करना है, तो I need to hurry up. So these potatoes are all cut and washed, and now I'm gonna put them in this pot to boil. These boiled potatoes here. No, first, kind of messed up. Just gonna add maybe like roughly half a cup of mayonnaise. With this recipe, I just have to kind of guesstimate. Then I'm gonna add some mustard. So I added about this much mustard. A little bit of garlic powder. Add a lemon. Gonna add the green part of a green onion. So I was supposed to actually add chives, but we don't have chives readily available in Pakistan. It's almost the same thing. Just gonna add this much now. gonna mix it together. Salt and pepper. So once we have this much of the mixture, we're gonna add potatoes here. And then I'm gonna mix it to see if it's enough dressing on the potato salad. So I think that's perfect right there. The potatoes need to be just moderately covered with the mayonnaise and the mustard, not completely drowning in them. Just add some green onions. And what the green onions do is they just add like a kick to the overall flavor. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching how I make this tandoori chicken drumstick recipe in the oven along with my potato salad. I know I could have spent some more time focusing on the garnish and the presentation, but I decided to keep it real and just show it the way we actually just slapped it on the tray and just ate it because we were really hungry. And if you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, let me know in the comments down below. And also make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Yeah, when I give you every part